Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are in sound health. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Creator. Here you can see I am your English teacher, MD Mustaqim, Assistant Teacher English, Bandarban Cantonment Public School and College. Dear students, welcome to my today's class. Here you can see what my today's topic is. My today's topic practicing WH question, subject English, class 5 English version. You know, WH question is very important for you in English. Uh, in question number 9, you will be given this item, and this item contains 10 marks for you. So, definitely, the topic WH question is very important for you to have good marks. So, dear students, let's go to our topic now. Before practicing WH question, I will give you some important notes so that you can make WH question easily. So note 1, you can see here the students to be verb. What are to be verbs? In class also I told you about to be verbs. To be verbs are am, is, are, was, were. Then you can see to have verbs have, has, had. You can see modal verbs can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. Then you can see to do verbs do, does, did. The students, these verbs are very important if you want to make WH question easily. If you can remember these verbs, you will see that to make WH questions is very easy for you. So dear students, now you can see the next slide, note 2 I have given. You see here I have written very important uh, writing for you. If a sentence contains or has to be verbs or to have verbs or modal verbs, we have to bring them before subjects to make question. That means already I have uh, shown you in the previous slide what are to be verb, what are to have verb, what are modal verbs. So if you see in any sentence, you have to bring them before subject to make question. Here you can see in the example number 1, we are reading above. You see in the sentence a model as a to be verb use are. So you see underlined part is above. So here how I have made the WH question, you can see what are we reading. Here you can see are I have brought before subject we. In the next sentence you see they have gone to Chattogram. You see underlined parts to Chattogram that indicate a place. So for that reason I have used where. Then you see in the sentence have or to have verb use. So I have brought have before subject they to make question. So the question is where have they gone? Number 3, she can help the poor. In the sentence you can see modal verb use can and the underline word the poor. So the poor indicate a person. For that reason here I have used home. Then you see can I have brought before subject she. So the question whom can she help? So dear students, here you have understood how you have to use to be verb to have verb, modal verb if they have in any sentence. Now you can see note 3 and you can see dear students what I have written. If a sentence does not contain or have to be verbs or to have verbs or modal verbs, we have to use do or does or did before subject to make questions as per tense of the verbs. So in case of not having to be verb or to have verb or modal verbs in any sentence, we need to use do, does, did before subjects to make question on the basis of tense. So dear students, it will be more clear to you if you look at the example. You see number one, Sima reads loudly. In the sentence you can see no to be verb, no to have verb, no modal verbs. So you see underline word loudly, there is a verb. So for this word I have used how. Then you see does I have used here because you see reads, that is a verb, and s added with the word. For that reason I have given does. How does Sima read? So if you see as with any verb, that time we need to use does. Number two, John wrote a letter. You see in the sentence also no to be verb, no to have verb, no modal verbs. Wrote, that is action verb use, and wrote is in past form. So you see how I have made the WH question what I have used for a letter. Then you see did you see here wrote, that is past form of verb. For that reason I have used did. What did John write? So before subject I have used to do verb. Number three, you can see the students, he got a nice gift yesterday. Here you can see in this sentence also no to be verb, no to have verb, no modal verbs, and underline what is yesterday, that indicates time. So here you can see how I have made the W question. When you know when mean time, when used for underline what is yesterday, then you see did, that is used because in the sentence no to be verb, no to have verb, and the verb got is past form. So I have used did before subject he. When did he get a nice gift? So dear students, you have understood how to make WH questions. You see. Now I will give you some exercise. I hope you will do at home. You can see the exercise number 1. Then you can see number 2. Then you can see number 3. So dear students, number 4 also you can see. Here I will end. I hope you will study at home and practice at home. Thank you all. Bye bye.